me. Hey! What's your name? What's your name? Can you tell me your name? Can you tell me your name? Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Oh, I said high five, not punch me. High five. High five. High five. High five. Oh my God! Oh, we're chasing the Oh my gosh, this is too funny.
Baba? Yeah.
Mhm. Oh my gosh.
Baba's dripping.
So what's your kid's name, Liz?
I don't even know.
That was a long name.
Did you bring his diaper back in?